This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazard station WNG 586, operating on frequency 162.50 MHz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located in Henderson. This station serves the far northeast Piedmont of North Carolina and adjacent Virginia counties, including Tar Lake and Lake Gaston.
Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Henderson and vicinity. Rest of today, cloudy. Scattered showers late this morning, then scattered showers with isolated thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Scattered showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Sunday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Chance of rain 20%. Labor Day, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers in the morning, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Monday night and Tuesday. Upper 60s. Highs in the mid-80s. Tuesday night through Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. Highs in the mid-80s. Thursday and Thursday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 80s. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 30%. With a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 40%. Here are the 11 a.m. observations for the northern Piedmont. At Northburg, it was cloudy. The temperature was 75 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity 83%. The wind was north at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.20 inches and steady. Elsewhere across the region this hour, at Salt Hill, Virginia, the temperature was 75. In Roxboro, the temperature was 73. At Asheville, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 72. At Greensboro, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 76. At Danville, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 74. In Raleigh, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 77. At Fayetteville, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 81. At Halifax, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 75. At the Rocky Mount Wilson Airport, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 79. At Wilmington, it was sunny, with a temperature of 83. At Cape Hatteras, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 83.
The current time is 12:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for central North Carolina. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Here is the latest advisory information from the National Hurricane Center, issued at 10:43 a.m. At 11 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time, or the center of Tropical Storm Fred was located near latitude 23.4 north, longitude 41.8 west. Fred is moving toward the west-northwest near 8 miles per hour, 13 kilometers /H, and a turn toward the north, and then to the northeast, is expected to winds remain near 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers /H with higher gusts. Some fluctuations in intensity are possible during the weekend. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 35 miles to the north of the center. The estimated minimum central pressure is 1,007 millibars, 29.74 inches. Here is the latest advisory information from the National Hurricane Center, issued at 10:45 a.m. At 11 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time, or the center of the newly formed Tropical Depression 7 was located near latitude 12.3 north, longitude 25.2 west. The depression is moving toward the west near 14 miles per hour, 22 kilometers /H, and this motion is expected to continue during the next 2 days. Maximum sustained winds are near 35 miles per hour, 55 kilometers /H. Some strengthening is possible during the next 48 hours, and the
This is NOAA Weather Radio. All